How do you think about building a scalable process for data maintenance and management?
Invest in data orchestration tools. So things that will automate the cleaning for me, automate the organizing for me. For example, if we have a new record come in, form fill from marketing, list upload from an event, salesperson goes and adds a contact, doesn't matter where it falls in the spectrum, it goes through a washing machine cycle to make sure that that data is normalized and camel cased the right way, that certain segmentations are happening. We can identify their job function and job role and their job seniority so that we understand, like, are they a decision maker? Are they an influencer? Are they, you know, a true part of the buying committee, or are they somebody that's going to support that buying committee? It goes through this whole function within the first 10 minutes that we drop in the record. So that just sets the stage right there for keeping all of our records normalized and clean and deduped. So that number one, to me, that's the first thing that I do when I go into an organization if they don't have this. I've bought the same tool 3 times, not gonna lie, it's called OpenPrice. But I bought it 3 times because to me, that is a secret weapon in keeping everything automated and clean in the very beginning. And then from there, the one thing that I will say we struggle with is our contact management, because there was a time when we did have a BDR team and they were super excited and they were just putting every contact in there and not necessarily giving them a contact role. And the existing contact roles didn't really fit the way the business had moved into. So we've been doing some work on updating those contact roles and slowly having our teams go in and update contacts, but in mass, like giving them a spreadsheet versus trying to get them to go into Salesforce and do it. Here's a spreadsheet. Tell us who we should reject. Cool. Now we have all your rejected stuff. We've gone and done uploaded that in mass. Now tell me what roles they belong in based on our new roles. So we're working through that with that team to really clean that up and try to make that an easier process, because the biggest complaint we were seeing was like, why are there 400 contacts on my one hospital system? They don't know who to talk to, and we don't know who to market to.
Yep. You got to build the machine itself to
Yep.
maintain it. And I think, yeah, it's the right way to think about it is like in these pillars, because contact data and managing that and the workloads associated with that are very different than account attribute data and
Yeah.
where you get that information, how you oversee it.